vlog. We're actually starting the vlog in a little bit of a different position, but we are walking down New Bond Street. We're going to do a little bit of shopping today. I feel like I've been going on about getting a basket bag and a summer bag and some shoes for a long time. So I feel like today's the day, just being for lunch actually. I should have vlogged that as well. I've been really rubbish with vlogging lately, but I feel like I have to vlog the shopping. Like if I'm going shopping, it has to be done. So yeah, we're going to do a little bit of summer shopping today. And I don't really know what else this vlog's going to include. Hopefully packing because I'm going away tomorrow and a few other bits. So I hope you enjoy the vlog. And let's start off. I think we're going to go to Dior first, although Dior is purely for sunglasses. There's no bags being bought in Dior today. But yeah, hopefully we find some nice cute summer stuff. London is so busy as well at the minute. I don't know why. I feel like it's just always busy in the summer. It's just crazy. But Ralph's looks so cute. I'm going to show you. It's got like a tennis thing going. How cute! Little outfit of the day because I didn't do one earlier. This is from Sandro, I got from Vista Village. This is Naked Fashion, and obviously the bag's Dior. I had no idea they had this little garden section in Dior. How cute. This is so cute as well. And it's got two straps, arm and shoulder. I don't like that you can't put it on the shoulder. I've got the bag, I've got the shoes. I mean, who am I? Because this is my dream. Yeah, these are really cute. They look so cute. Also like them in brown. Not seen these before. Oh, it's a tough one. Love these. How cute. Why do I love these so much? So I came for sunglasses, shoes or a basket bag. I've left with none of them. And I left with my Celine, the one that I saw and I fell in love with, and I'm so happy about it. I tried the basket one on, and I do like the basket one, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to buy like a cheaper basket one. If I want to do a basket bag, I do the cheap one, because I feel like the basket bag's a basket bag, whereas I feel like this is a bit more special for me anyway, personally. So I still love the basket bags, and I'm going to get like a cheaper one. But I feel like this was the right purchase for today, and I couldn't then buy the sandals or the glasses because I felt like one purchase is enough now for the 6 months. So I'll be going this summer with my Dune Hermes dupes, and probably not a new pair of sunglasses, but I'm happy anyway. Hi loves, it is the next day. I didn't finish vlogging yesterday, I don't even know why. I think I just came home and I had so much to do. But it's the next morning and I'm going to Ibiza tonight, like early tomorrow morning. So I've got to get everything done today. I've literally been doing admin all morning. I got some returns to do, but I thought I would open the bag with you because I feel like this is a priority. Even though I've got so much more other things to do, this is on my list, and I felt like I couldn't just buy it and then not do an unboxing with you. But you know what, as I was thinking about it this morning, I looked into the bag and I was like, there isn't going to be a big unboxing because there's no box. There's no box, so it was just like a bag. And then I was a bit like, oh, I mean, I don't know if you guys prefer it when it's like an unboxing, like a proper unboxing where you open the box and that, but I guess it just saves having a box in the house. So it just comes in a little dust bag, obviously. Then you've got like all the receipts and the bits in there that I need to save. And yeah, sorry there's not going to be any jazzy pulling off ribbons, but this is the bag. I'm so excited. And you know what? I want to take it to Ibiza, but I'm really scared. This is my one thing about this bag. I'm actually a bit scared to use it. But a little backstory. I've been wanting a basket bag. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I've wanted a basket bag for like 3 years. I've had the Loewe one on my list, I've had the Celine one on my list, and every time I did a vote, I had so many people in my DMs saying like, the basket bags are not that great. I mean, they don't age well. I know one of the girls was saying that she had it for like 4 years or 3 years when they first come out, and now it's like all ripped and she has to buy another one if she wants to, but she doesn't think it's worth the money. And I had very mixed reviews about buying a basket bag, like a luxury basket bag.
So I was like, why don't I buy a bag like this that I know is very functional as well, because everyone was saying that you can't really carry that much in the basket bags. It's more like for pretty pictures, which I get obviously because I love taking pretty pictures, but also I wanted one that I could have as a beach bag and then not as a beach bag as well, just like a normal bag. Like, not that it would fit my laptop, but it would fit a little bit more in there, and just one that I could just really have forever. And from what everyone was saying about the basket bags, it wasn't kind of the same vibe. So when I saw this on the Celine website, I was in love with it. Like, I saw it and I looked at it, and I normally think about purchases like this for a long time, like months, if not years. So this is very rare for me to just like something 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. I saw it and then just buy it, and it does feel a bit wild, to be honest, but I've done it. It's done now. Obviously I can return it, but I don't want to. And yeah, I've just bought it and I'm super excited to show you, and I just love it. And I just hope, my only concern is that I'm quite a messy person, and it is material. Obviously it is this material, and it does concern me slightly because it's a light coloured material. But she did tell me that it's very similar to like the Dior where the material is quite long lasting. So she was like, you know, as long as you don't get stuff on it, like if you tip makeup on it, then obviously it's going to get dirty. But she was like, if you're just carrying it and taking it to the beach and that, she's like, it should be fine. This is the bag. How cute is it? How cute is it? It is lush, isn't it? And you know what I loved about this is I always loved the Dior ones, similar to the shape to this, the tote. But when I rented one off Cocoon Club, and they only got a very short strap, so you have to carry it on your arm. And I carried it once for all day, and my arm was hurting so much afterwards. They're so uncomfortable to carry, and they're so heavy as well. And the price point on them is like $2.8, maybe even $3 now. Enter this one is super light, and you've got the longer strap, so you can wear it as a shoulder bag, which I tend to do more. You could obviously wear it as just like on your arm as well, but it's more of a shoulder bag, and I just fell in love. I think it's so sophisticated. I feel like it's timeless, even though it's got the logo all over it. I just feel like it's still like super chic, if that makes sense. Like, it's very logoed. It's not really quiet luxury, is it? But I don't care, because I'm not quiet luxury. So nice, and honestly I'm so excited about it. I just don't know whether I can take it to Ibiza because I'm really frightened. So you've got inside of the bag, you can fit so much in there. This is the material inside. It is that same like light material, which does also concern me, but I'm definitely going to buy a bag to go in the bag. Obviously because it doesn't close as well, so I'm going to get a bag that does close to put inside. And then you've got this little bit here, which obviously you can put the smaller bits in, and you've got the logo there as well. I hope you can see this. And yeah, I think it's going to fit a laptop. It's going to fit so much. It can beach towels, like anything I'm taking to the beach. Everything will be in waterproof bags if it is a lotion. I'm going to have to be so careful with this. But I'm going to be, I mean, please hold me by that. If I say that I've ruined this bag, you can all come for me, because I am hopefully going to keep it in such good condition. This is it on the shoulder. It's really hard to show you. But I'll put a little clip actually of me. Well, you would have already saw it actually, wouldn't you? Because I vlogged it yesterday, so you would have seen me buying it. Let me know what you think of the bag. Let me know if you love it as much as I do. I'm so excited. I actually cannot wait to take it away. And I hope I can take it to Ibiza. But you know what, I did want to ask you, is there anything I can put on this to protect it? Like, I know I've got a YSL one in a similar material. I've had that for 2 years. It's the little clutch bag. You probably would have seen it all over my Instagram and everything. And I put some crepe protect on that, I think it was called, and it lasted so well, and it's in such good condition. Like, there's literally no marks on it, and I've worn it out so many times, like on night outs. So I feel like I was gonna do a similar thing with that. But if you've got any recommendations of something that I can spray, or any type of protector, or if I can go and get it taken somewhere for them to spray it for me, definitely let me know. I really appreciate that. So I'm off to pop to the post office now to do some returns, and then we're gonna pack when I come back. Okay, this is my packing situation. And it's not good. It's not good because I don't know what I'm doing. And you know when you just don't want to pack? I can't even think today. I don't know. I feel like nothing's working. But I just put some trousers on as well because it's freezing in my flat. There's obviously a better way to do this, but I just like seeing them all out. This is from Caramilla, and it's a really nice long jumpsuit. It looks stunning on. This is Revolve. Can't decide. Feel like I'm gonna have to try it on because I feel like I want to wear it out, but is it a bit too revealing? I don't know. This is Caramella, nice, long, just for the day. I love these two swimsuits, they're my absolute faves. This one is from Revolve, this blue one, and it's so flattering. And this is from Alexander Moreau. Both of them love, and then just got a white shirt to wear over them. And then I've got some denim as well. Got this red dress from Alexander Moreau, but I'm in an iron about that. Because I just feel like these are very boring colours. This is my issue. And then I was thinking, oh, I don't want to just wear black and white. It's so boring. So then I went in my wardrobe and I went a bit wild with the colour. So now I'm thinking maybe I need to pack some coloured, like some pink maybe. Oh, I found this as well from Zara. I bought ages ago and it's like a little flower. And now I'm going to try and base a whole outfit basically around this flower on my neck. So I was thinking maybe buy the pink. This is from Rat & Boa. These are Nadine Marabi old. And they're actually old in the style. Then I've also got a potential all white outfit down here. Mind my bra. It's just a bit everywhere at the minute. I've got this little shirt and shorts combo, which I think would be nice in the day. Then I've got this dress. Oh, sorry, this is very manic, this vlog. This dress from Forever New, which I think would be so cute in like Ibiza Old Town. So I feel like that's definitely cute. And I got this black crochet cord from Naked Fashion, Laws's collection. And I'm in a bit of a dilemma because we're supposed to be sharing a case. And this is probably enough for way longer than we're going 4 days. So, and I'm just stepping on all the stuff like... I don't know, I feel like I'm going to have to try some of them on, which I hate doing, but I think it's going to have to be done. This is cute, this is being packed. I could do this like tied or I could tuck it in. And I think it's nice, I think it's a very cute little day outfit. I'll do matching sandals. So this is a definite one. These are in style Celine, this is What the brand I think. I think this one works really well. Definitely going to take this. Now I love this, but it's not my usual style. It's a lot going on here. It's a lot of showing areas. It's a lot because you've got a bit of boob, bit of abs, even nearly a bit of belly button, and I'm not sure how I feel. Yeah, this is an I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to get back up on this one, take pictures and send to my friend and see what she like. This is a lot. Where am I going wearing this? I'd love to know. But I do like it. But it's a lot. It's actually comfier than I thought. I thought I wouldn't feel like in, but I do feel in. I feel secure. Like, I don't know. Oh, I don't know with this one. I just, it's a very, very revealing for me. This is cuter, but still, I feel like the shorts, I don't know, maybe they look a little bit cheap because of the colour. I do think this is cute, but there's something about it, innit? It must be the shorts. I think this is better with the trousers. I mean, I still don't love it, but hold on, let me zoom out so I can get the... I'm holding this neck thing. These are the trousers. I feel like it's very simple and cute. I just don't know. This is definitely going in. It's so flattering, it's so comfy. High neck, it's gone open back, but I've tied the tie around the front, but you can tie around the back as well. Definitely wearing this. So cute, and I'll accessorise it up a little bit different just to make it not so boring, but how cute. I actually love this. Very light and floaty, good for a day outfit. So I've only got one more day outfit to do now. I think I'm just going to do that flowery dress I showed you from Forever New. I don't have to try that on because I've already tried it on, so I think this will be the last day outfit and the floaty dress. I can't even speak today. Oh, actually, I found this little skirt that I forgot I had, and it's so cute. I'm thinking maybe I could do this with like a... Maybe I should take a bikini top for underneath, so just button up one or two, because I think that looks really cute as well, with a little bit of a tie. But still with like little bits hanging out. I think this could be cute. Yeah, I like this. I think this works. So I'll take this little skirt as well. I love this skirt. So Claudio's come in and helped me because I was like, I've got the outfits, but I don't think I've got ones nice enough. And he's like, put some white trousers on, let's go for an all white look. So he's helped me a little bit. And I've got this now, so I feel like linen trousers, linen top, obviously they all need an iron with a bag. I feel like this is more like, I'm more excited to wear this, I don't know.
Because I feel like sometimes I always want to wear shorts in summer, but sometimes trousers just look better, don't they? So I'm definitely going to take this as like a day to night outfit as well. We had to have a little break for dinner and Claudia's made peas pasta. And I'm so hungry. I don't know why packing's taking me hours, but this looks so good. I had my little station going with my iron and my steamer and this little shot glass to fill them up. And then we had a disaster as well, my buttons come off, so now I've got to try and find my sewing kit, which I have no idea where it is. Okay, we are done. I mean, it was a long old time. I steamed everything, I ironed everything. I was gonna vlog it, but I just felt like I had to get it done because it's like really late now and I need to shower and wash my hair and everything. So this is the final outfits. There are a few hung up as well. And these are my shoes. I've literally just put the shoes like to match the outfit there like that. And the shoes on top, belt, and then bags. And I'm taking my new beach bag that you would have seen in the beginning of this video. And then for jewellery, I've got all this. This is the most unorganised thing ever. But I'm just very unorganised in general, so I'm not going to go through them all, but I've just basically took my entire like chunky jewellery collection because I want to choose there, like I kind of know what I would wear with what, bracelets and necklaces, and I've got like a range of earrings and some rings, but I feel like when I get it I'll know more because I feel like it's hard to do. And I'm not trying them on again with earrings. I feel like that's excessive. So I'm just going to take as much as I can. And then when I get there, I'll have all the options. And then I've obviously got these from Astrid. The light's gone a bit dark now, obviously, because it's night time. But yeah, this is my jewellery. And this is the plan. So excited. And then we've got these. I've just steamed them all. I don't think I showed you this on. Then we got some white shirts that I just steamed and ironed. This. So I'm going to pack them at the very last minute. So my friend's on her way over now and then we're going to pack them into her case. So everything is now packed in. I feel like I haven't even apologised for the state of me in this last bit of the video. Like my hair, everything. I just feel like, you know, when you're packing, you just got to get things done. You can't, I probably even got like pasta on my face. I'm a mess, but I'm going to go and wash my hair now and then like Dyson hair wrap it so it's all nice and fresh for tomorrow. We're literally leaving at like, I think 4 AM, so it's going to be an early one. But everything is packed now, all good to go. I'm excited to shoot some like summer, like holiday content. I love holiday content so much. So you'll see that on Insta if you follow me on there. I know this vlog's been short and sweet, but I hope you've enjoyed it. And I will see you next week.